BFM, this is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions, Beats and Feasts. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video. And today, we're going to do a very versatile meal. We're going to do a good old southern fried potatoes and smoked sausage. Now, I've had this dish for breakfast, which is how I'm going to eat it today. I've had it for lunch. I've had it for dinner. I've had it as a side dish. So you can make up your mind how you want to serve this. But you can use it for any meal of the day. But hey guys, remember, if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. Let's get started with some fried potatoes and smoked sausage. As always, I start with my supporting cast. It's pretty simple for this, like most southern soul food recipes are. But I got some cut up potatoes, and I got them sitting in some water so they don't oxidize. And I got them cut up about between 1/8 of an inch and 1/4 of an inch thick. Try to cut them as uniformly as you can, just so the cook time is, for each piece is good. About the same. I got some smoked sausage cut up, roughly about 1/4 inch pieces. I got some onion, some sweet onion, and some scallion, some leaves of the scallions here. And I got some green pepper cut up in a bowl, roughly cut up, not diced. Salt and pepper to taste, some minced garlic, and I got some garlic powder as well. So that's really all the ingredients I'm going to be using for this. So let's get started putting this together. Alright guys, so first things first, I got them over here at my cast iron skillet on the stove, and I'm going to just throw in my smoked sausage here. And we're going to let that get nice golden brown, and then we're going to take it out and start with our other ingredients. But try to get it all in one layer as much as you can. Alright, we're going to get those golden brown. And in the meantime, I'm going to go over here and pat my potatoes dry. Just so they, you don't want them to splatter all over the place when you put them in a skillet to start frying them. But let these get golden brown and we'll come back here in just a minute. Alright, so they've been in here on one side for a little bit. So as you can see, they're starting to get really golden brown on that side. So I'm just going to stir them up and mix them up. See if we can't get the other side done. Alright guys, so I got them nice and golden brown on both sides. I'm going to take them out here and put them in the same bowl I had them in before. And I got my skillet on a medium heat when I cook those. I'm going to keep them on that medium heat. We're going to put in just a little bit of butter in the skillet. Mix with that oil and the flavor from the smoked sausage. And I've already patted down my potatoes, and we're going to throw those in there. Now this is a step that you need to be patient with. You're going to cook these potatoes until they get nice and soft and brown, a little bit brown anyway. But we're going to cook these on a medium heat till they get nice and soft on one side. Then we're going to add our vegetables to it. So we're just going to let those sit. We got to let them develop a little crust on one side. The potatoes have been cooking on one side for a little bit. So once those have cooked for a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and season these up. I got some salt and pepper here. And be liberal with your seasoning unless you're on the low sodium diet, because there's nothing worse than a bland potato. And a little pepper. You guys know me, I love my black pepper. And a little bit of garlic powder. Now, You guys ask, why am I using fresh garlic and garlic powder? Garlic burns really easy. So I'm putting the garlic powder on, and I'll add the minced garlic at the end there. So we're gonna mix these up. You can see they're starting to develop some kind of little crust there. We're gonna mix these up. Oh yeah, I can smell it now. Ah, smelling good, smelling good, smelling good. Alright, so we're going to let these cook a little bit longer. And I'll probably throw another little batch of seasoning on it here in a minute. But, like I said, you got to have a little patience when you do fried potatoes. It takes a minute for them to get soft. So, just be patient. You'll get it done. Potatoes are getting nice and soft here. So, I'm going to throw in my onions. I like to kind of carve out a little spot in the middle for them. And add in my green pepper. Add a little bit of salt and pepper to them. Just a little bit. We're going to let those get soft, along with the potatoes to continue getting soft. And I'm going to add just another little bit of butter here. Ah, yeah. Ooh, smelling good. Smelling good. I wish I had smell-o-vision. I wish I could invent smell-o-vision. But anyway, let's let these onions and green peppers cook down in potatoes, and we'll add our meat back to the dish, and we'll be good to go. As you can see, the onions and the green peppers starting to really cook down. I'm going to add about a half a teaspoon, and it's about 3/4 of a teaspoon of garlic, minced garlic to that. We're gonna let that cook. We're gonna add our we're gonna add our sausage back to it. Mix that up in there real good. Oh my God. If I could get all you in my house to smell this, I would love it, but you need to try it on your own. Alright, so we're gonna let that cook for about 5, maybe 10 minutes. Let those onions and green peppers get a little softer. They're a little hard for me right now. But, and then I'm going to plate this up for you. Well, I'm not going to plate it up. I'm going to leave it in the skillet. And we'll just add our little topping of fresh scallions and tops to it. I don't know how much better it gets than this for a breakfast. But here's your sausage and potato, and I put a couple eggs on top. And I'm going to keep it 100 with you guys. You know I don't like no runny eggs. That's just for presentation. I'll put those back in the skillet and cook them some more. But hey guys, there you go. Simple and easy. Nice Saturday morning breakfast. Whatever morning you want it for. But you know what I'm waiting for? I'm waiting for that bite. Got my fried potatoes and smoked sausage. Let me get that bite. Oh man. Just like Mama used to make. Hey guys, the key is make sure you season your food. Nothing worse than a bland potato. Hey guys, do me a favor. If you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video. And hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.